If you've ever wanted to buy something from Jarir Bookstore but prefer to pay in installments, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Tabby on Jarir's website in 2025, so you can shop easily and split your payments without any confusion. First, head over to jarir.com and browse for the product you'd like to purchase. Once you've found what you want, simply click on it, then choose Add to Cart. Next, go to your cart and select Checkout Now. When you reach the payment options, you'll see Tabby listed as one of the methods. Select Tabby and then you'll be asked to log in or create a Tabby account if you don't already have one. From there, choose the installment plan that works best for you. Tabby usually offers flexible monthly payment options, so you can spread out the cost without interest. After confirming your details, just complete the checkout and your order will be placed instantly, while you pay later in easy installments. That's it. It's really that simple. Using Tabby at Jarir Bookstore gives you the freedom to shop for laptops, phones, books, or accessories without stressing about paying all at once. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who shops at Jarir too. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.